First, we perform the multiplication. 9 over 6 multiplied by 6. The 6's cancel each other, and only 9 remains. Finally, 9 divided by 9 becomes 1. But this answer is not correct, because we violated one of the most important rules of mathematics, the rule called the order of operations, commonly known by the acronym PEMDAS. Each letter in the word PEMDAS is an abbreviation for one step. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division. A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. When we face a complex mathematical expression, we must first solve the parentheses. Then we calculate the exponents. After that, we move on to multiplication and division. And finally, we perform the addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have the same priority, and we move from left to right when calculating. Whichever comes first, we perform that operation first. The same rule applies to addition and subtraction. If this question has come to your mind, what is the difference between PEMDAS, BOMAS, and BIMDAS? The answer is simple and short: there is no difference in meaning between PEMDAS, BOMAS, BIMDAS, and so on. They all express the same concept, the order of performing mathematical operations, only the naming differs in different countries. So why are their names different? These acronyms are just to help remember the following steps. P and B stand for parentheses and brackets, E and I stand for exponents. O stands for orders, like roots and powers, the rest are the same. M stand for multiplication and D stand for division, A stand for addition and S stand for subtraction, so all of these mean the same thing: first parentheses, then exponents, next multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Based on this explanations, let's solve a more complex problem. Before solving the problem, if you have enjoyed this video so far and found it useful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Doing this takes almost no effort from you, but it helps me a lot. The question is, 20 minus the quantity 1 plus 2 squared, all cubed, divided by 5 squared, times 4. According to PEMDAS, we first calculate the expression inside the parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we have 1 plus 2 squared. Exponents have a higher priority than addition, so we calculate the exponent first. 2 squared becomes 4, and then 1 plus 4 becomes 5. According to PEMDAS, now we must calculate the exponents. 5 to the power of 3 equals 125. And 5 to the power of 2 equals 25. Now, multiplication and division have equal priority, so we move from left to right. Whichever we encounter first, we solve it first in this problem. We first encounter division, so we solve it first. 125 divided by 25 equals 5. Now, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, so we perform it first. 5 multiplied by 4 equals 20. Finally, 20 minus 20 equals 0, so our final answer is 0. In this question, if we move from left to right, we first reach division, so we should perform the division first. 9 divided by 9 over 6. To solve this question, we use the KCF rule. According to the KCF rule, we keep the first number as it is, change the division to multiplication, and take the reciprocal of the second number. Therefore, our expression becomes 9 multiplied by 6 over 9. Then, we cancel the 9's, and only 6 remains. Finally, 6 multiplied by 6 becomes 36. Now, based on what you learned in this video, Tell me in the comments what the value of this expression is. You can watch the solution to this problem in the short videos on the channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments, and I will definitely answer. Share it with your friends. And subscribe to the channel.